Hi, today I want to explain about balancing redox reaction by oxidation number method. Question is write the net ionic equation for the reaction of potassium dichromate 6 K2Cr2O7 formula for potassium dichromate with sodium sulfide Na2SO3 in an acid solution to give chromium 3 ion and the sulfate ion. So first step what we have to do is step 1. Write the ionic equation or skeletal ionic equation. How to write the skeletal ionic equation? First, the given statement read here K2Cr2O7. So K2Cr2O7 react with the sodium sulfite to give chromium plus 3 and sulfate ion. This is called sulfate ion. Now we have to write the ionic equation. Therefore, the ion which are not going to be change their oxidation state in their compound, they are called spectator ions. Now I am removing these ions and writing the ionic equation Cr2O7 minus 2. These are cross multiplied. This number 2 will be cross multiplied here. This Cr2O7 1 is multiplied here. Therefore, this is minus 2. Similarly, this number is cross multiplied here and plus SO3 minus 2 and gives rise Cr plus 3 plus SO4 minus 2. This is a skeletal ionic equation. This is step 1. Then step 2. What is the step 2? Assign the or find out the oxidation number for each element. Assign the oxidation number for each element. Now the given equation is Cr2O7 minus 2 SO3 minus 2 gives rise Cr plus 3 plus SO4 minus 2. In this oxidation number of this chromium is plus 6, oxygen minus 2, sulfur plus 4 and oxygen minus 2, chromium already plus 3, sulfur plus 6, oxygen minus 2. Therefore, here plus 6 to plus 3 decrease, therefore it is called reduction. And sulfur is plus 4 to plus 6, it is increase. Increase in oxidation number is called oxidation. Oxygen oxidation state minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 not changed. Therefore, chromium is act as, it means dichromate act as a oxidizing agent which undergo reduction, that is called oxidizing agent, which undergo oxidation, that is called reducing agent. Ra reducing agent, Oa oxidizing agent. Now step 3. Calculate the increase and decrease in oxidation number per atom and make them equal. So we know the oxidation number. This is chromium, sulfur is plus 4, chromium plus 3, this is plus 6. Now according to this one, chromium is change in oxidation number is 6 minus 3, that is a 3. Sulfur change in oxidation number, so this is a decrease in oxidation number. This is decrease in oxidation number. Now sulfur is what is that? Increase in oxidation number. How much this is? higher value minus lower, the change is 6 minus 4, that is a 2. Per atom mean here two atoms are there chromium, therefore the change in oxidation number 3 and number of atom 2, which is going to be changed in this formula. Chromium changed, oxygen not changed, therefore chromium only we have to take. And for this sulfur, change in oxidation number is 2 and number of sulfur atoms are 1. Therefore 2 into 1, that is a 2, 3 into 2 here is a 6. Now whatever that number should be in the smallest integer number required, therefore this will be 2 ones are 2 threes are, and these will be cross multiplied here and this will be cross multiplied. When you multiply this one, this 3 into 2 6. Now this 1 into here 1, so here total 2 atoms are there, so 2 into 3, that is also 6 per atom respect to 3, but total atom 2 and change is 3, therefore 6. Now make them to equal mean, so the increase and decrease in oxidation number is equal, 6 6 is there. So based on this, I can write here Cr2O7 minus 2 plus 3SO3 minus 2 gives rise Cr plus 3 plus SO4 minus 2. Now balance the product accordingly. Now balance the products accordingly. It meaning according to reactant product we have to balance. Now according to this equation, Cr2O7 minus 2 plus 3SO3 minus 2 gives rise to Cr plus 3 and SO4 minus 2. Here 2 chromiums are present, therefore multiply with the 2, and 3 sulfurs are there left side, therefore it is multiply with the 3. So step 4, balance the charge. How to balance this charge? In acidic medium given, so in acidic medium to balance the charge, add the hydrogen ion. So add H plus ion to balance the charge. Now according to this equation, right side we have 2 into plus 3, that is a 6, and 3 into minus 2, that has minus 6, totally right side 0, plus 6 minus 6 0. Then left side we have 3 into 2 minus 6 and this is minus 2, totally we have minus 8 left side. Therefore right side is 0, left side minus 8, therefore we have to add plus 8H plus. Now 8 plus minus 8 plus 8 0. Now step 5, balance the hydrogen atoms. According to this one, here left side 8 hydrogen is there and right side no hydrogen is there. Therefore to balance the hydrogen atom, add H2O molecule in acidic medium. So which side hydrogen is there? Left side. Therefore we have to add how many hydrogen? In one H2O molecule, 2 hydrogens are present. Therefore 4 H2O we have to add. Therefore now 8 hydrogen left side, 4 into 2, 8 hydrogen right side, balanced. So this is the equation. Now after balancing hydrogen, we have to check, that is a step 6, oxygen balanced or not. So we can say that balance the oxygen atoms. So right side and left side, how much oxygens are there? First to count. Left side 7 oxygen plus 3 into 3, 9, 9 plus 7, that is left side how much? 16 oxygens are present. Then right side 3 into 4, 12, and this 4. Then total here also 16. Therefore, oxygen atoms are already balanced. Already oxygen atoms are balanced. Then finally, step 7. Check or verify the equation. Check the equation balanced or not. Now, according to the above equation, reactant side and product side. So, reactant side, what are there first? Chromium and oxygen, sulfur, hydrogen. How many chromium? 2 chromium. Oxygen how many? 16. And sulfur how many? 3. Hydrogen how many? 8. So product side how many are there? Chromium 2 and oxygen are 16, and next sulfur are 3 and hydrogen are, that is called 8. Totally the equation is balanced. So the final equation is what is that? Cr2O7 minus 2 plus 3SO3 minus 2 and 8H plus gives rise to Cr plus 3 plus 3SO4 minus 2 and plus 4H2O. And finally charge also we can check that left side is minus 8 plus 8 0, right side plus 6 and minus 6 is 0 is there, therefore charge also balanced. Finally this is a balanced equation, final equation.